Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox and review the ThinkScan 662 Automotive Diagnostic Tool. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, ThinkCar sent me this ThinkScan 662 OBD2 Automotive Diagnostic Tool for me to unbox and review. This is a really important tool to have in your car, especially if you have a lot of cars. The thing is with this tool, you can figure it out if you have check engine lights, and you can tell what's wrong with your car by reading the error code. The thing is, when you have a check engine light on your car, it will actually send an error code to a OBD2 scanner. The thing is, a lot of OBD2 scanner doesn't tell you what it is, but I think with the ThinkScan, it's a lot more advanced than the cheap one that that doesn't come with this really nice monitor interface. It's really nice. It's like a small TV right here. Let's unbox it. I'm so excited to see this. Yeah, somebody commented on my Fiat 500 video because he has a error code, and he asked me, what it is. If you have this OBD2 diagnostic tool, you can actually scan the error code and what's wrong with your Fiat or your car. So look at this. It comes with start guide manual, and then it comes with, oh, this is the unit. Look at that. Look like a small TV. And this is the OK button. This is look like a arrow pointing up, down, left, right for navigating through the ThinkScan device. And this is for like going back, like back button. And that's the serial port for connecting the OBD2 cable from this device to the car. And that's the power button right there. I think you have to click the power, and then voila, say welcome. And then, oh, the box comes with serial to OBD2 port cable right here, and also comes with the USB charging cable, USB-C charging cable. So if you have iPhone or Android device, you can use the USB-C recharger to recharge the device. And this is how you recharge it. It's gonna be in this part of the scan tool. That's the USB-C port, and that's the micro SD port. You can expand the storage to 100, 28 gigabyte micro SD card. You can put it here, which is really cool. So let's see. I'm so excited. Let's connect the serial cable like that. Let's connect it, and then let's set it up like that. Start. Okay. Let me see. Come on. Oh, there it is. All right. Let's get this thing out of the way. Okay. Oh, hold on. Enter. Okay. Oh, let's go to the car. Why don't you go to the other side of the car? My daughter is here to help me today. And this is really nice to have this scan tool. So, yep, go ahead. See, each car is different. With this car, the OBD2 port is located right here underneath the steering wheel. Let's connect this to the OBD2 port. Oh, here it is. It's right here. There's only one way in, one way out, like that. So I'm gonna connect it. Okay. That's the one. There. Oh, look at that. It's reading it already. You see that? Let's close the door. And then nothing else. And we can enter. Oh, look, it's scanning the VIN of the car. See, it's automatically. I like this. I don't have to enter the VIN number. It's actually scan it for me. And it's loading. This is really nice. You just plug and play. let me turn the car on, and then let's do. Oh, look, a GM Caprice. Okay, let's do automatic search. Yes. All right. Reading data. Look, it shows the right model 2014. This is my patrol car, the Chevy Caprice PPV, police patrol vehicle. It's a police interceptor car, and then it was made in Australia. And it tells, look, the engine is the 6.0 liter V8 L77. This is so cool. Okay, yes, I click OK. Let's see health report. There's like health report, system scan, and system selection. Let's see the health of my car. This car is really old, so oh, look, engine control module, normal. Oh, nothing is found. Everything is normal. So well, let's just clear DTC. There's no trouble. Let's see if I have. So the vehicle basically is healthy. There is nothing like red or anything. Everything is okay. Look at that. It's gonna do a system scan. Oh, nothing. This is nice. You can actually okay, system selection. This is so cool. Look at this. It's basically plug and play. And you can actually hold on. See, there is no fault code, nothing. I mean, it found nothing. It says 4 system found but 0 error, which is nice. So wow, this is so cool. And it's so simple. Like you said, as you can see, it's really compact. It's easy to use. Just plug and play, basically. This is like the easiest thing right now. Since there is no check engine light, guess what? It doesn't show. There's no what do you call that? There's no check engine light. And look at this. Let's see. OBD2. Okay. Let me see. I want to see this. Let's check it out. Let's click on this. Oh, look at that. Let's just scan everything. Nothing wrong. So there's nothing wrong. What is maintenance? Oh my God. There is app bleeding. Since we're not bleeding the apps, I'm not gonna do anything. Look, there's airbag reset. Oh my God, this is so cool. This is like advanced tool for the dealership. And look at this. There's SRS battery matching, brake pad reset. Oh, if you have the automatic parking brake, my VW Tiguan rear brake has that. I have to reset it for the piston to collapse. With the newer car with automatic parking brake, the piston has to be controlled by OBD scan tool like this one, which is really cool. This one has a brake pad reset. So yeah, look at this. Since we're not doing brake job, look, DPF regeneration, basically for diesel system with DFF regeneration, component replacement right here. Electronic throttle adaptation. Oh my God, gearbox learning. Okay. Help complete gearbox self-learning. Okay. Wow, this is interesting. Let's diagnose that. Okay. Full. Oh. Okay, I'm not touching that one. But you can help complete gearbox self-learning to improve gear shifting quality. Okay, this is interesting. Anti-theft key matching. Oh my goodness. Injector coding. Oh my goodness, look at that. And oh, it has more. Oil reset. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. This is so cool. If you do a oil change, and the car has the maintenance what do you call, light. You can actually use this one, since we're not doing that today, so we're not gonna use that, but you can actually click oil reset. This is so nice, guys. Oh my god, this is useful. This is not like one of the cheap lower quality OBD scan tool. This is a high-end one with so many tools. And let's say find Holden. Okay. Manual reset. Commodore. Okay. Actually, nah, we're not doing oil change, but you can. So steering angle reset. TPMS. This is really really cool. You can actually reset your TPMS air pressure in your tires. Okay, air pressure sensor in your tire with this thing. This is so cool. You don't have to go to the dealership or tire shop. You can reset it using this one. And look at this. Oh my god. And this thing is like basically show everything what you can do with this. Apps bleeding, airbag reset, anti-theft key matching, battery matching, brake pad reset, DPF regeneration, electronic throttle adaptation, gearbox learning, injector coding, oil reset, steering angle, and TPMS. This is so important. Sometimes if you install a TPMS sensor, like on my Porsche video and my Fiat video, you can actually reset it. So it will recognize the TPMS sensor in your tires if you just put a new TPMS sensor. So this is so useful. This is nice. And then upgrade. What is upgrade? Okay, you can actually download and more. Let me see. Okay, let's see what. Setting. Oh yeah, setting. Let's do this. Okay, Wi-Fi. You can actually update this software. You can use connect it to your home Wi-Fi. What happens is you will add it, and then you can do update to your OBD2 software. The thing is, software have to be updated because they're always like new model car every year and new changes to the OBD2 software. So you can update it, which is cool. Look at that. User universal. You can pick a different language like English, Spanish, German, dudes, French, Italian, mamma mia, Japanese, arigatou gozaimasu, Portuguese, Russian, harasho. Okay, here we go. Maintain and firmware fix, clear data, all this stuff, man. This is so nice. Device info. So it is ThinkScan 662 model, serial number, software version. You know, this is amazing, guys. Look at this. So yeah, this is awesome. There's online service, user manual. So basically, if you want to learn about this, it comes with user manual here built in. Coverage list, gadget, Google Chrome and gadget. Oh, look, remote assistance. And again, yeah, this thing's nice. So look at that. You can download the latest maintenance software for resetting oil, TPMS, and etc. So yeah, this is super nice, guys. We just basically scanned the health of my 2014 Chevy Caprice, and it is in perfect condition. It's in perfect health. This is good to know because if you have cars, you want to know what's wrong with your car, right? If there's something wrong with it, if we catch it early, the problem, you can take it to the shop and fix it, or fix it yourself. So yeah, this is a really useful OBD scan diagnostic scan tool that you can purchase. It's not very expensive. It's like around like what, $160 to $200. So out there, I think there's a special right now if you buy it on this November or December. But anyway, yeah, Black Friday is always good time to buy this kind of stuff. But it's really good, guys. Look at this. I'm just so excited, so stoked to have this, and it's so easy to use. As you can see, just plug and play. And then my car, actually, since this is my work car, I'm so glad to know that my car is in a healthy condition. So anyway, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for everything, and I'll see you later. Have a wonderful day. Bye.